Namaste. My name is Ritu Verma and I am deeply honored and grateful to Suchitra Academy for providing me with this incredible platform to share my journey. It all began with meeting the legendary S.S. Hakim sir, which led to pursuing my passion, a journey of inspiration. From the moment my tiny feet touched a football, I was hooked. At age 5, I cried and requested my father to take me to Sports Authority of India's Football Academy in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I watched practice sessions and matches of my elder brother, Raj Verma, glided across the field with such a ease and skill. His athleticism mesmerized me and his passion for the game sparked a dream in me that has fueled my determination ever since. My vision is to be highly skilled and respected football player who consistently learns, practices, excels on the field and contributes positively to the team, embodying the spirit of sportsmanship. I dedicate myself to continuous improvement both individually and as a team member through rigorous training, practice and self-reflection. I aim to develop technical skills, tactical knowledge and physical conditioning to perform at the highest level of competition. Embracing teamwork, collaboration and communication, I strive to achieve shared goals and foster a supportive team environment. My core values are dedication, excellence, trust and teamwork, sportsmanship and integrity, passion, leadership and influence. My football achievements include convincing my parents to allow me to choose football as a career and being determined from a young age. I started at the Sai coaching camp at 6 and met legendary players who inspired me. I participated in school level and DSO tournaments, faced challenges and passionately achieved my vision and mission without complaints. I prepared for failure and learned from setbacks or rejections. I participated in selection trials and was selected for district level football championship. I was nominated for state camp for sub-juniors football national championship and I made it into the top 15 probable girls list from the Twin Cities and Junior Girls National Championship. I participated in selection trials for Khelo India and was selected in the esteemed Telangana Sports School football team. I was invited to the Hyderabad Premier League by clubs. I participated in the divisional rounds of United Manchester Scholarship and reached the zonal level rounds as one of the top 3 women players. I consistently practiced and faced the challenging Junior National Women's Football Championship selection trials and camp in 2024. I am proud of my recent achievement of receiving the AIFF National Champion Certificate at the Telangana Football Association headquarters in Hyderabad. As an ambassador for my school, Suchitra Academy, I was present. I participated in the Rangareddy team football selection tryouts after learning about them from one of the senior coaches at Sky Kings Football Academy. I was excited and a bit nervous, but I gave it my best shot, focusing on my tackling ability, footwork and team coordination. Thankfully, the selectors saw my potential and chose me to represent the Rangareddy district in the Telangana State 9th Sub-Juniors Girls Inter-District Football Championship 2023-24. Wearing the prestigious Rangareddy district jersey was a huge honor. It symbolizes pride and hope for the football community and reminds me of all the hard work, sacrifices that led to this moment. Stepping proudly onto the football field at the Nizamabad Police Parade Ground from 8th August to 11th August 2023 was a moment of immense pride. I was thrilled when I saw my name on the Telangana Football Association's call-up list for the selection cum coaching camp at Gujwal from 1st to 13th September 2023. Joining the TFA State Senior Women's Football Championship trials alongside 55 other tough players was a thrilling opportunity for me. Talking about my favorite players: midfielder Alexia Putellas, midfielder Aitana Bonmati, forward Chloe Kelly, defender Mappy Leon, Lionel Messi and Sunil Chhetri. I want to share how I got inspired when I entered Hyderabad city and passed through Suchitra Circle. I saw a giant hoarding in front of the Suchitra Academy School. On that billboard was Miss PV Sindhu with a gold medal. From that moment, I started visualizing myself on the billboard of the esteemed Suchitra Academy School as the brand ambassador. To achieve this, I began focusing on my sporting career. I want to become a professional football player, play for India and become an MBBS doctor. I also aspire to join the Indian Army. I have many dreams and purposes and want to do something extraordinary, positively changing the society. I am proud that I have represented the Telangana state at the Junior Women's National Championship 2024. Out of 100 girls, they have selected 22 girls for the official team, in which I am a part of. I also have been selected by the Ranga Reddy Football Association and Telangana Football Association for representing Ranga Reddy district in the 10th Senior Women's Inter-District Football Championship, which took place in Nizamabad in the month of August 2024.
Namaste. I am excited to share a few words about Rutu Verma, who has truly impressed me as a student and athlete. Her dedication to football is nothing short of inspiring. Rutu approaches her sport with incredible enthusiasm and discipline. Whether she is on the field practicing her skills or in the classroom tackling complex problems, her commitment is evident. What really stands out is her ability to balance her academic responsibilities with her football training. She consistently goes above and beyond, showing that passion and hard work can lead to remarkable achievements. Rutu's drive and determination make her a role model for anyone striving to excel in both their studies and their passion. I wish all her best in her future endeavors. Thank you.
Namaste. Rutu has demonstrated exceptional talent, dedication and sportsmanship, earning national recognition in football. Her achievement is a testament to her relentless hard work and passion for the game. Her journey to national recognition in football is an inspiring story that can motivate other students to take up their passions, just like she has. As a teacher, there is no greater joy than seeing your student excel and achieve greatness. I am extremely proud of her. She has proven that dreams can be achieved with determination and discipline. I wish her all the very best in her career and may she achieve greater heights as a Suchitran. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Surendra, PE mentor. I want to share a few words about Rutu, an exceptional football player. Recently, Rutu represented Ranga Reddy district in the 10th Senior Women's Football Championship. She played against an international player, Soumya Gugloth, and gave a tough competition to Team Nizamabad. Rutu, your performance was exceptional and you have proved yourself as a key player. And not only in the football, as a NCC cadet, she was a good disciplined cadet. Thank you. Namaste.
मेरा नाम नागराज है, मैं केयर फुटबॉल एकेडमी का हेड कोच हूँ और मैं 1 साल से ऋतु को ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ। तो मेरा उम्मीद है कि अपकमिंग अभी 2027 तक एक अच्छा प्लेयर बनने का उम्मीद है उनके ऊपर। और उनका जो पॉजिटिव है वो बॉल हमेशा बॉल के ऊपर चार्ज करने का और जीतने का उसका बहुत सोच है। और उनका जो भी है वीकनेस उनको अच्छा स्ट्रेंथ करे, फिर आगे में उनका फ्यूचर में और उनका भी नाम तेलंगाना का नाम लाना बोलते मेरा बहुत ब्लेसिंग्स है। मैं जहाँ तक उनको ऑब्जर्व करा क्योंकि फुटबॉल का बहुत पैशन है उनको और उनका पेरेंट्स का भी बहुत उनको सपोर्ट है। तो हम लोग दूसरा इसका जूनियर्स भी है, इनको पेरेंट्स का इनको देखो कुछ आगे फुटबॉल खेलने के लड़के लोग और आगे आना है। और मैं जी जहाँ तक मेरा ऑब्जर्वेशन है देखो एक ना एक दिन इंडिया को नाम लाएगी और आगे बस।
I wish you more and more success on your upcoming years, and me, all the people in the school are inspired by your story so much. I am really proud to call you my best friend. Admiration, Christine.
Hey Ritu, wishing you all the very best for your journey at football. This is the very beginning and I'm sure that you will go a long way. As I've never seen a girl so passionate about football. Just the name football gets a spark in your eyes and I know you will accomplish all what your heart desires.
I am deeply honored and grateful to Suchitra Academy for providing me with this incredible platform to share my journey. Under the guidance of our esteemed principal ma'am and the supportive faculty, our school has always nurtured us, celebrated passion and excellence. Today, as we embark on the Suchitran Superstar platform, I am humbled to represent our school and share my story. This opportunity embodies Suchitra Academy's commitment to fostering future leaders and celebrating unique talents. Thank you all for your unwavering support and belief in me. I am a Suchitran superstar and this is my story. If I can do it, then you can.